Okay, hello and welcome, Renew is talking, and I'm going to show you how to disassemble Xbox One Revision 1 controller and also show you how you can fix the button that is working not as good as you expect it to work. So first of all, remove the battery cover. Under it there is a sticker. Remember, removing that sticker will void the warranty, but you need to remove it because there is a screw. Also remove two other bottom covers at bottom right and bottom left of your gamepad, as you can see on the top right screenshot. Okay, the next 5 inner Torx screws with pin. So as you can see, location on the screenshot. Unscrew them, and after that you can remove top and bottom part of the gamepad. Use a duct tape to fix those rumble motors where they are at, because if you don't do this, they will make your life much harder. 2 more inner Torx screws, now without the pin, to remove the upper motherboard, and 6 more to remove the bottom motherboard. Now we can get to rubber buttons contacts, and as you can see, my previous fix I used aluminum foil, didn't work well. A button started to work, but it is like double or triple clicking, so there is another way to fix it. Also, I should mention that this is temporal fix and it will not last long, maybe a week, maybe 2. That's complete random how much you will play using your Xbox controller. So I recommend you to order like replacement for your old rubber button at Amazon or at AliExpress. Like links to those shops will be in the description. And also there is a big price difference, like around 75 cents from China and around 15 bucks from Amazon. So from Amazon you will get it fast, but from China you will get it cheap. Now let's try to assemble it back and see if it is working or not. I did this to show you like synchronized video from microphone on my PC and my phone. That gamepad is working just fine when I replaced that contact, and it will be enough until the new replacement like part from the China will be delivered like in 2 weeks. So it will work just fine. So link for the new part to order from China I will post in the description to this video. It's cost like around 70 cents or something like that. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to thumb up and stay tuned.